Hello everyone. Loki says hello too. On today's episode, I'll be making cheeseburgers and homemade french fries. But first, let's say hello to the boys. Hey Loki. Hi Milo. For the meat, I like to use a chuck brisket short rib blend. It comes up really juicy and tasty. Add a generous amount of salt, a generous amount of pepper, some onion powder. Press a little indent in the center of the meat so it doesn't bulge and put to the side. While the patties are becoming room temp, let's prepare the fries. Once you're done cutting your potatoes, make sure you wash them thoroughly and put them in a cold bath for about 30 minutes. Time for a short cat break. Now it's time to cook some bacon. I like to use beef bacon. You can use any bacon you want. I just like to get them nice and crispy, just like this. Looks delicious. Now rinse your fries out one more time and dry them thoroughly. Once dry, cook the fries for about 5 minutes and set to the side. Then you're going to dry them again and recook them for another 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown. This gets it nice and crispy. Now let's cook the burgers. Add a little olive oil to the pan. Add some butter. Pour some of that hot butter and fat on top of your burger. The trick is to only flip the burger once. Get that beautiful caramelization. Absolutely stunning. I like to toast my buns in butter. Now it's time to make my signature sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some ketchup, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, salt, smoked paprika, and 1 tablespoon of pickle juice. And mix it all together. Beautiful. Time for a cat break. Time to put it all together. For this burger, I put sauteed onions, mushrooms, because that's what the wife likes. For my burger, classic double cheeseburger. That thing's a monster. Came out so good. Don't forget to add the fries and use some of that signature sauce as a dip. It's time to find out what my wife thinks.
Presentation. Wow, you really outdid yourself. Alright, I'm gonna try my favorite, which is always the french fries first. Oh, they're delicious. The fries that I missed out on. Alright. Very good. Probably the best burger you've ever made.
Really? Wow. Better than my grill burger?
So I'm gonna give you a 10 on this.
Damn.
This is a really good burger.
A 10, wow. Glad you like it.
Thanks, babe.
So your burger is slightly different than mine. Your burger has onions, sauteed onions and mushrooms with Swiss cheese and cheddar cheese.
Okay.
My burger is a more simple burger. Just a double cheeseburger with beef bacon, lettuce, tomato, and my signature sauce. See if I can manhandle this. Yeah. Alright.
So, what do you think?
Yeah, this is slamming. This is one of the best burgers I made. I agree. This is also a 10.
All right, so we both give it a 10.